Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the Football Critics. It's your boy Nelson, and I'm here with my boy Ntantla Mtima. My boy, how are you feeling?
Hey, Shafet, relieved, Jaya. I'm not gonna lie
Relieved,
to you. Relieved,
Um.
mfethu. The
So
season lena dog, bruh. Eish,
it's been
ingidrainile dog. I'm drained mfethu ngale
ne.
season. Like angikaze ngibe kule situation enje with the Orlando Pirates like in a very long time. Like 14 years
Yes.
ago was the last time I experienced land. Nakhona ngisemncane, so that feeling isho bese ishonile.
Essentially, ne? Okay,
Yeah,
no
bro.
man. Before we get into it, man, first of all, I would like to apologize to our subscribers, to our viewers, so with us not being as consistent with the past few weeks. I think we've been facing a lot of I don't know how to put it. I can say maybe challenges here and there. With balancing work. And again, Untlantla has had to relocate from La Vegasala Corner to a total different new place, new job. Now on my side, in Upper we had my graduation was a school and we're both graduating. So yeah, man, it's been a lot in the past few weeks, man. We've been talking behind the scenes, planning and planning, but we've just been facing those challenges of which I think we're finding balance. Nhlanhla is finding balance, I'm finding balance. So we're working on fixing inkinga yethu when it comes to consistency, you understand? So I think Nhlanhla has settled in, has adapted to the new place, new environment, new everything. I think is okay now, it's good to go. And on my side now, I think I'm okay with everything. So we just wanted to clear that one and apologize to our viewers. But yes, just to get into it, man. Yeah, Orlando Pirates won the league. Mamelodi Sundowns won the Champions League. I don't know if you remember. I once said, you remember when I said to you the worst possible scenario for Kaizer Chiefs fans is Orlando Pirates winning the league and Mamelodi Sundowns winning the Champions League. I saw it coming. I remember there were times whereby you were no longer feeling confident, and I kept on telling you that you guys are winning it. You understand that it was written in the stars, and yeah, man. Even though go controversial the way new winning a corner
Uh,
with the two on goals, we
uh,
have to speak about that. We can't just move past it like nothing happened. Yes, Orlando Pirates won, but we just can't move past it like nothing happened. It was a controversial win. Yes, you guys won the league. Congratulations. But we just can't forget. We just can't act like asbonanga. You understand? And I'm not gonna hold it against you guys, but yes, it was a controversial win. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way in Tantla. With the club fighting relegation can score two on goals. Two clear on goals, and yeah, man, I just wanted to get that out there, which you know what, the streets will never. Congratulations, but the streets will never forget. But just to summarize, man, how do you feel, man, as you've just won the league for the first time since 2012?
eish mfethu yabo mfethu, I'm happy, yabo. Yes, you mentioned in indaba ye the way siwine ngakhona at the end, yabo. Wow, and controversial on goals, yabo. But I mean, I take it. You understand? Considering what we've been doing throughout the whole season, um, doing into esingakayenzi in 14 years, like difficult circumstances, chasing Imamelodi Sundowns, yeah, Sundowns in Jan. And you could feel, man, over the past two games, yet Durban City, even the Orbit game, Wuti, these Pirates players were starting to feel a pressure. I understand. Even the way abadlala ngakhona, you see Aborele, they were not themselves. There were times when they were desperate. So to mhlambe bayashoot instead of passing on just overcomplicating izinto, which is something they didn't do the whole season. Sebaze bazoyenza right now, yabo, when it really, really, really matters. You understand? Sebeyasheka manje. It's the pressure,
Yes.
it's that nervousness of not being used to being in a situation when now there's expectation ukuthi nina manje sekumele nideliver i-league that we haven't won in 14 years. Yabo, so yeah, man. I mean, I'm on goal. I mean, those on goals was so fun, especially the first one. I understand now how goalkeeper ibhola like ibhola lingemuva kwakhe ibhola liza ngaphambi kwakhe he turns his fist and punches it back like
No, guys, no. Mm-mm.
but
Did,
Spitzu,
did you
like
see? Did you see the second one? Did you see the second one? Magatavela pants. Ubone ukuthi Magatave udiver akuphi ipali likuphi.
ah man, I don't know what happened to Obits on that day. I really don't know, Gabo, but I'm glad
Brown
that thing
envelope
happened.
happened. Brown envelope happened.
Nakho siqalile ezi-Chiefs siqalile
Brown
manje
envelope
ezi-Chiefs.
happened. No, why brown
Seniqalile.
envelope yenzekile? And nah, it's fine, guys. It's fine. It's fine.
I mean, I
You guys are
take it.
champions. You guys are champions in Shine Treble. Senbongel. Senhalalisela, man. And congratulations, Jami. Yeah, I don't wanna lie to you. I feel like rivalry aside, I feel like we needed something like this. We needed to see a different team being crowned the champions. I think we were now tired with seeing Mamelodi Sundowns. It's like it's scripted. Yeah, I understand. We want to see such things. We want to see another team being crowned champions. I understand that. And yeah, man, congratulations. And because the Chiefs is also winning it next season. So yeah.
Ah.
I'm telling you. So, talking about Kaizer Chiefs, man, I'm just happy. I'm impressed at the how we finished the season, at the how we played this season. I feel like, man, in as much as Sundowns can say, here's our Champions League, in as much as Orlando Pirates can say, here's our treble or here's our league, I feel like as Kaizer Chiefs fans, we also have something that we can, you know, sleep well with at night. I feel like we have something that we can beat our chests with and say, you know what, I didn't lift any trophy this season, but in comparison to the last 2, 3 seasons or 4 seasons, here's progress. Yeah, I understand. Here's something different. Here's something new. We're going to confer again. I understand we're going to continental football again. We're back with MTN 80. So there's good factors that we can point and be like, okay, you know what, Kaizer Chiefs didn't win anything, but let us look at what Kaizer Chiefs did this season different in comparison to the past 2, 3 seasons. Yeah, I understand. So I'm happy, I'm impressed, I'm glad, and I appreciate the sponsor Machita Abasenzile this season. And even though it was a little bit of a roller coaster here and there, but I'm impressed and I'm happy. I just hope we can come back next season and hit the ground running. Yeah, I understand that. Yes, we're still gonna go into depth with Kaizer Chiefs, with Orlando Pirates, with Mamelodi Sundowns, which with their individual videos. I understand, but just to sum up how we finished the season, I'm impressed. I'm glad. I don't know if you wanna add anything there with regards to Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, but I mean, remember, Chiefs is in a transition period. Yabo. Like ibhola mfethu, there's no magic in football. You're not gonna come from not qualifying for a MTN 80 for the past 2 seasons to straight winning the league and challenging, yabo, and being that dominant team, yabo. It's gonna
Yeah,
take to think Uguti last season Chiefs became what was number 9 and this season all the way to number 3, qualifying for the CAF Confederations Cup. Yeah, when finishing the season strong. That's progress that even our fans will take forward. Yabo. Now it's about each Chiefs showing Wuting and Bella they do want to take that step forward. Yabo. But the way about finishing a corner this season, man. I mean, it's way better than the past few seasons. I understand, way
Yeah.
better. Even the attitude at times, from the, especially when you guys were winning. Well, yes, there was that consistency, like middle of the season. I mean, the attitude wasn't there, but it came back. Yeah, but when the attitude is there, we are born with the Chiefs is a very difficult team to beat. Yeah, well, so it's just now finding that consistency. Yeah, well, but yeah, man. Um, overall, not a bad season from Kaizer Chiefs. Definitely not.
It's an impressive season, man.
Yeah,
It's an impressive season. It's a season which most Tina Kaizer Chiefs fans we are happy about. I'm happy. I'm happy with how we played this season. I'm happy with how we finished this season. And yeah, I just hope we continue from where we are right now. And moving away from Kaizer Chiefs, there's a certain team that has 2 stars on top of their badge
yeah.
right now, currently as we speak. Uh, no, Masandawana, congrats. I feel like it's long overdue. I feel like this was supposed to have happened maybe 2 seasons ago or 3 seasons ago, if I'm being totally honest. The club has been working towards that goal, achieving that goal. We've been seeing the club splashing money. We've been seeing the club buying players, and at the end they got what they've been working for. They got what they've been wanting for the longest time. Yeah, I understand. 10 years later, they are crowned Champions League winners again. Yeah, I understand. The kings of African football. Yeah, I understand. So, congratulations to Amasandawana, man. Looking at how that game went about last night, man. Yeah, they had all odds were against them. The atmosphere, the fans, you name it. Yeah, I understand. But they stood firm. They stood firm and didn't wanna go out without a fight. Yeah, I understand that. So I just wanna congratulate Amachita. And yeah, man, I don't know what is it that you wanna add with the Mamelodi Sundowns.
I think Manje Sundowns has reached that stage now in playing careful Guti. Now they've mastered it. Like it's no longer Guti, they have experience Yoglali Care. Now they've mastered it. Because I've been saying over the past few years, over and over again, Guti, this team will eventually win ICAF Champions League, regardless of who's the coach. Even Urulani na eventually he was gonna win it. Mangoba Mngiti na eventually he was gonna win it. Yabo. Because this team, when I look at this team and I look at even the players itself, you can see Guti, the players are not necessarily playing for the coach. They are playing for a team. They are playing for the badge. Yabo. They are playing to win. They are playing to make a history themselves. Yabo. And money fight. Yabo. Because you look at even game Izolo, dog. Like yonke lento le isuke this week. Imamelodi Sundowns, dog. Sundowns was supposed to leave on Tuesday to play that game. Le team le delayed ithi ilokhunja iflight yabo. Sundowns had to leave on Thursday. Yabo. So that's like 2 extra days that the Sundowns missed on the training. They understand? And still, even masasebefika laphaya kwamahhotela, ama-fans wabo, even the players themselves, were not treated right. Yabo. Sometimes they missed the breakfast, or there were things missing with breakfast that they ordered. Yabo yonke leyo nto leyo, just to
Yeah,
upset the morale. But look at how Imamelodi Sundowns approached that game, how they played that game. Yes, there was a time where, especially after AS scored, there was a time where I saw with they are on top of Imamelodi Sundowns and Sundowns might shake again, yabo. But they didn't,
they
yabo.
didn't. Yeah,
After Utevza scored, what a goal, man. Yes. Yo,
yeah. No, Debs, I
yeah,
player
yabo.
yasechaba, player yasechaba ngempela. Aye.
Yes. But man, like the attitude, the character of Imamelodi now Sundown, they understand ukuthi um to win ICAF mfethu, you need to be willing to go to war mfethu kusempini laphaya Yabo.
Against
Even if
all
you
odds.
don't, yabo, even if you don't play the most beautiful football, lapha yambethu, just have that grit, holding on, yabo,
Yes.
making
The
sure ukuthi
fight. The
awushawa,
fight.
yabo. They've mastered that, and congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns, man. Well deserved. 2 stars now. Yabo.
Yeah.
Now it's there's pressure on lezi zaseSoweto manje. Uzoyifica kanjani leyo nto?
Give me a few years. Give me just 2, 3 more years. I will be there. We will be there. And yeah, man.
Yeah,
I think this was just yeah, a welcome back video, or just a quick summary. Remember, we still have to do Ibafana Bafana with the World Cup that's coming, the World Cup games. We still have to do a video for next season. We still have to go in depth with the Kaizer Chiefs. We still have to go in depth with the Mamelodi Sundowns. We still have to go in depth with the Orlando Pirates. We still have to go in depth with the league itself. Yeah, I understand. So our subscribers, please just show us some love there. Please just like the video, subscribe to the channel. We're working on bringing you guys, the best quality content, and just bear with us. We're working on it, and we can guarantee you guys you will get what you guys deserve. Yeah, I understand. So I don't know if you still want to add anything there, boy.
yeah, man. Yeah, but singayivala. Still more to come. Still more to come. Kuzi World Cup, which is something that I'm really, really excited about. Like the content, yeah, the content is coming for the World Cup, especially. I can promise you guys that. But yeah, man, yeah, that's it from me. Congratulations to the champions. If we champion.
I think that's enough. I think that's enough for the night. I think that's enough for the, let me leave you, guys. As I've said, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Yeah, no, congratulations to the champions. It's fine.
Yeah. It's your boy Tata Thanks in him team. I'm out.
Yes,
Voila.
yes, yes, yes.